Let's make this simple banana cake or banana bread, anyhow you will call it, but I would say banana cake. It was very soft, fluffy, and delicious. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen. I share easy recipes. You will love it here, so please do not forget to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. Without wasting much of your time, let's start with today's activity. I have with me here my bananas. So the bananas are 5. You can use any quantity of your choice. They look very bad, but trust me, they are very perfect. Okay, so I'm just going to peel it for you to see how perfect they are. As you can see, so perfect. So I'll just go ahead and then peel the skin of the rest. Then we can continue with the recipe. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for your time. I don't take it for granted. I'm so grateful. Now, if you want to use blender to blend your banana, you can go ahead and do so, but we are going to mash it with our fork. Okay, we want it chunky in the cake or in the bread, and that's always take the taste to another level. Yes, it is very nice if they look chunky in the cake. Please do not be bothered about me wearing one glove. Okay, I have my reason for that, and it is personal. So let's continue. You can as well prepare your food without wearing gloves, and it is perfect. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay. Now I'll mash it very well, and I will make sure it is not well mashed. Okay, because I don't want it smooth, I just want it chunky in the cake. We are done with that. I will set that aside. I have my bowl here. I have my butter in. You can use margarine. That is about 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons of butter. Okay, I'll go ahead and then add a tablespoon of sugar and then mix it very well so I get that creamy texture we are looking for. The sugar that I used, the pearls were very big. Okay, so it was not able to dissolve. It is actually not pearls. I know the name, but it has escaped me, so all what I remember is pearl. Okay, mix it very well so it dissolves. This is not going to dissolve, okay, because it has that big pearls. So if you finish preparing the cake, it is going to dissolve. It will surely. Yeah, now I've added my egg. I will be using 3 eggs in today's recipe, but I will be adding it to it one by one. So we are done mixing everything. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Kindly follow us for more videos. If you want short videos like a minute or less than a minute, follow us on all social media platforms, including YouTube Shorts, and trust me, you will love it. Now we are done mixing everything, and look at how creamy it looks. Now we've added our all-purpose flour to our perfect creamy batter that we've prepared. Okay, we'll be adding 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour, which you can use soft flour in this recipe. We will be adding it to it bit by bit. Mix it so that it will not be heavier than our arm. Okay, we will be using 1.5 cups of milk, and with that we will be adding it to it bit by bit as well. Every ingredient that we'll be using here, we will add it bit by bit. Now that is the next batch of flour we are using. We will be adding it to it small or bit by bit. So we are done with everything. Mix it very well and you are good to go. Now what I've added now is my baking powder. We are using 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder. Just go ahead and mix it. I wanted to add more taste to the cake, so I added some walnut. Okay, you can as well use your peanut You can use any nut of your choice, okay, and you are good to go. But if you use the walnut, oh my goodness, it is perfect. You can crush it or just add it whole like that, but I crushed mine. And now this is where we've gotten to. It looks a bit hard for me, so I'll introduce my either your milk or your banana. Okay, so I have introduced my banana, and I'll go ahead and then give this a mix. Just look at that, so creamy. We are not done baking the cake, but I'm already craving for banana cake. If you've watched me till this point, it means you like what you are watching. Can you please like the video for me, share to others? Let me see your comments in the comment section, and I'll be very grateful. Our ingredients we are going to use is vanilla. If you've been watching me for some time, you know I don't play with my vanilla and my cinnamon. So in today's recipe, we'll be using them. I've added the vanilla already, and I will add my cinnamon and then mix that very well before we continue. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for always having some time with me, for watching my videos. I am so grateful. Mix this and let it become uniform before you proceed. Now I like the texture, but should you want to add more milk to it or any liquid, you can go ahead and do so. We are done mixing everything, and I'll go ahead and pour my butter in the cake pan or in anything that you are going to use to bake. Okay, so I have my muffin tray and I have some liner in it, and I'm just going to pour my butter in it, and the rest will be in the cake pan. So simple recipe. I've preheated my oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes, and now our cake is ready. We baked it for 30 to 35 minutes. Yes, and just look at that, so soft, perfect. It is not hard. It looks soft and not like banku like cake. Okay, like it doesn't look like banku, okay, but it looks very fluffy and delicious. So just make it the way you want, but if you want it this way, follow the recipe. Thank you so much for watching from the beginning to this point. So I come your way next time. You can't afford to miss the next upload. I will see you in the next video, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye. Very soft.